Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Data Engineer. So in this video, I'm going to explain and demonstrate what is Seedance 2.0, okay, and why this is in hype nowadays, and I'll explain some technical details and how to use that. I'll explain some things also, and I'll demonstrate this workflow of this particular platform Hexfill.ai. Okay, so this video is basically sponsored by Hexfill.ai. Okay, so let's start with some video samples and demo and the technical details of Seedance 2.0. So if you are aware with this Hexfill.ai platform, we already know we have already in a previous video we already explained lot many I can say feature of this platform, right? Create videos, create avatars and different things. Okay, so so this because this is Sedans 2.0 is a new release. So if you see in video sections earlier you have seen that we already have the Sedans 1.5 Pro. Okay, so if you have used this one, or I'll showcase this how to use that. So if you have already this where you are giving the single prompt and giving start frame and end frame and you are generating some videos. Okay, so like here you are giving the start frame. Okay, so because see Seedance 2.0 is also the advanced version of Seedance 1.5 Pro. Okay, so in Seedance 1.5 Pro, how what we are doing, we are giving the start frame, end frame, and we are writing the prompt and generating we are choosing the model from here, right? We have different models. We are choosing the Seedance 1.5 Pro and we are generating. So similar to that, now the more advanced and more feature enriched Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. Okay, so I'll explain some technical details on that. So because Seedance 2.0 is an emerging AI video generation model, so that increasingly discussed across different public, we can say public domain. Okay, and that creators and community as a single of where cinematic AI video is heading. So, so everyone is creating, and there is a hype on the social media also regarding Sedans 2.0. Okay, so I am explaining based on some like observability from the social media. So as generative video continue to evolve, so the public conversation around new models has begun to shift away from a raw visual mobility, right? So how we are using. So these are the details of this 2.0 towards questions of structures, stability, and whether AI video system are approaching a level of coherence that can support a real creative workflow. Okay, so in this basically Sedans 2.0 has started to appear across public discussions also because of its feature in its enriched feature. Okay, so it has some early preview and many creator community you have seen that like as a model that reflects where expectations around cinematic AI videos are heading, right? So so even before comprehensive heads-on like evaluations become widely available, right? So rather than being formed as a dramatic leap or Sedans 2.0 is basically increasing discussed as a part of gradual refinement of video generation model, right? So so we are improvement in motion behavior, temporal consistency, and camera logic signal a move towards output. Okay, so I'll showcase some of the sample things, and I'll in the video descriptions. Okay, I'll paste it the Sedans 2.0 link. This link where we are using, you can log in through your email, and then you can use that. Okay, then I'll share some of the so this is Siddhant's 2.5 1.50. So if you wanted to aware with the six-fold workflow with with older version, you can check it out also. And I'll share some of the technical details like Siddhant's 2.0 AI video discussed. I'll explain this also. I have collected some of the sample things from the internet, which I'll showcase. So if you wanted to explore such types of things. Okay, so if you wanted video like this, I'll explain some, I'll showcase some more sample here. Okay, so if you wanted to see this one, so you can see. Okay, yeah. So basically using Seedance 2.0 AI video generation, you can generate video like that. Okay. Now we will see some of the technical details preview of this video. Okay. So you can, if you wanted, you can just read it out, and if you'll open this, you can create do like a create options. Okay. So if you do create options, you will come to the Seedance 2.0. And here you can create and everything. Okay. So if you see here, key feature of Seedance 2.0, what is the key feature? Like one click video generations. Okay, so in one click you can generate the video. This have the unified multi input control. Okay, so that feeds up to 12 assets at once: an image, video, audio clip, and text. So Seedance 2.0 reads its input tool automatically. You can, so there's a feature like insane creations, multi-modal scenes, pixel control, like frame label precisions they have. Okay, if you see here, so frame label precisions, then you have the multi camera storytelling. Okay, it's not only the single static camera angle, so it has multi camera angles also. Like then it has features like high impact motion scene, right? So dynamic actions and all. Okay, so video generation with Dance 2.0. Okay, so you can generate multiple video here. This is the other sample video. Okay, you can see in the technical details of this video. Okay, you can, so these all are the examples here. These types of video you can generate by using the single click. Okay, okay, so these types of video you can generate. Okay, so this descriptions and everything I'll post it here. You can see some more of the technical details here. So you can go through this. What are the features they have? What Reddit saying about things? What is the expectations versus realities? And what is the connections with 1.5 older version? Reliabilities and everything is there. Okay, so you can see Seedance 2.0 in relations to Seedance 1.5. So you can see each and everything, and you'll get the details, and once it will like available for others in the platform, you can try it out definitely. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.